my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam. In today's video we'll unbox and review the Glam Treasure Box August 2019 edition. It's a lifestyle subscription box priced at $14.49 including shipping per month, and if you go for longer subscriptions it's as less as $1,149 per month including shipping. And they also have a great 3-month subscription plan offer. You will be getting a free Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette worth $1,090 around, which is amazing quality. So let's check out what all this edition has. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is how the package has reached me. That's our usual Glam Treasure box with their logo. Once we open, we have the product details, and here are all the products very nicely packaged and bubble wrapped. So let's go through them one by one. So first we have this beautiful snake print clutch. It's not only printed, it does have some texture as well on it, and it has this golden closure, looks really classy. It's quite thin but quite a huge size as well, so you can keep a lot of things inside. Once we open, this is how the inside looks like. There's a zipper as well, and this actually has a golden sling as well. So if you want, you can detach the sling and you can use it as a clutch, or you can use it as a sling bag with this golden chain sling, and it is really very pretty. Quality wise also it looks really nice. Definitely will work great as a evening dinner kind of clutch or party kind of clutch. Definitely happy with this one. Now after this sling plus clutch, we have another silver color clutch which has this croc kind of texture. It's pure silver, and this is like a hard kind of clutch. Once you open, there are 3 compartments and a zipper as well inside. Quite spacious. You can keep all your cards, cash, your phone, and even some makeup, etc. It's quite a huge size. It will carry a lot of things. So again, perfect for a night out, for parties. If you're going out for dinners, this color will also go with most of your outfits because it's a silver color. So if you're wearing silver jewelry, it will look great with that. Now the last product in the lifestyle section is a beautiful sequins cushion cover like this, and I love that it has this mermaid pattern on it. It's very quirky, very girly also because of the mermaid, and I really like it. I love to play with these, and these are really very pretty. So I'm definitely gonna love using this. The back side is like a silky maroon color, and that's how it looks. Pretty, isn't it? Now moving on in makeup, we have an awesome palette from Nika K. It is their 9 Perfect 9 color, and it has 9 colors obviously, and just look at those shades. They are beautiful. There are many neutral shades like browns and goldens and coppery shades which look amazing on Indian skin tones. You can use them on day-to-day basis. And this champagne shade and this coppery brown shade also, they all will look amazing on all skin tones. And these pink and some party shades like this gray, all of these are really pretty. So again, very happy with this palette. Even if you go for a single month subscription, you're getting a good eyeshadow palette from a brand that is very well known. It's available on Nykaa as well, and I've personally tried their eyeshadow palettes and other products, and they're really good. So I am very happy with this product. So the net quantity is 14.1 grams, and the cost of this palette itself is 550 rupees. Here are some more details about the ingredients, etc., which you can go through. Now finally, moving on to the jewelry, we have a earring. So this is how the cute pair of crystal earrings look like. The quality of crystals is really good. If you see closely, you will see the shine. It's really shiny and glittery. And the color combination is very quirky. You can use it with multicolor dresses or solid dresses. If you have like a dress in blue or green or any of these colors, single color, then you can pair this very well with that. It will kind of stand out and bring attention to your earrings or jewelry. And this is the back. Then we also have a set of crystal bracelets. So they are in a combination of royal blue, sky blue and white. A very classy, basic and sophisticated color combination. And these are like elastic kind of things which you can wear directly. They don't have any clasp and they have some golden beads on the back, so you can just wear them like this. So if you have a dress in a combination of these colors, it will look amazing. Even just like this is a very safe combination. You know, I love wearing crystals. I do wear them always, so these can go together with them as well. Like I can mix and match, make it something like this. Definitely looks more pretty right now. So again, I'm happy with these. So those are all the products in my August edition of Glam Treasure Box, and I'm definitely happy with it. There are so many favorite products. I love this clutch, this eyeshadow palette, and this cushion cover. These three has to be my favorite in the entire box, but I also like this clutch and the jewelry. Overall, I did like everything. And for a price tag, it's definitely good, especially if you're getting a 3-month subscription, because you'll get it at a cheaper pricing. Plus, you'll get the entire additional Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette worth more than 1000 rupees. So that makes it more value for money. If you like it and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. You'll also find a link to the giveaway running on my channel. If you haven't already, please do check it out and participate. It's very simple. All you need to do is subscribe, like and comment, and you can be a lucky winner too. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.